Hello and welcome. I wanted to make this video because it's been a while since I've done one of these. And you may be wondering, what have I been up to recently? Well, aside from having just run a 5-day challenge, which now the videos have been taken down for, by the way, so the replays are no longer available, I have been working on building up our second YouTube channel, which I am now officially releasing. So kind of here at first. And our second channel is a roleplay channel, and we will be looking into literature RP, where we will be taking our characters, hopefully, and turning them into literary characters, writing characters. So I have revamped a couple of Dungeons and Dragons campaign, and we are playing to a homebrew rule set system, which I have been working on. And I hope that you guys will enjoy our channel. I will give you a link in the comments below, or in the description, I should say. So that's really what I've been doing. I've also been working on some workshops, which I'm now officially releasing. So if you're interested in a workshop learning how to write, specifically workshopping characters, workshopping world building, drop me a line in the comments below. Even if you see this video a year from now, drop me a line. As long as I have the workshop, as long as I have people interested, I will probably be running them. I've also been working on a couple of my own projects, writing projects, and our Skyward Scribble challenge is going very, very well. We have people who are putting down their word count daily. If you'd like to join in, you are more than welcome. We have got three word count targets for you guys to hit. So one of them is 20,000, one of them is 40,000, one of them is 80,000. And you get to decide whether you do that in 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. Or you can just join us and set your own goal. So that's been going really, really well. Anyway, I have just been crazy, crazy busy, but I'm going to be making some more videos soon. I didn't want to leave it too long. So this is me just checking in. How's your writing going? How are your creative projects going? Let me know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. And if you have any questions about Faith, feel free to drop those too. Anyway, do join us on our Discord server. We have a Saturday writing group. It's free. Come along. We would love to have you with us. We'd love to hear about what you're up to. If you want community, come along. We also have space for gaming, for role-playing, and of course, we have our Faith section. So if you check any one of those boxes, writing, art, gaming, role-playing, Christian faith, come along. We would love to have you. Anyway, that's all I have time for today. I hope you're well. I hope you're having an amazing day. I hope your creative projects are going swimmingly. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.